talk to you guys, well, mainly guitar players or people that are thinking about getting a guitar or just kind of want to know something about guitars and guitar strings. So we're going to go over some guitar strings here. So here we have two sets of guitar strings. One is a heavier gauge, which goes from 10 to 46. The other one goes from 9 to 42. So here you see the gauges. So this set of strings, it's for, these particular strings are for electric guitar. So there's 6 strings here. They start with a 10, 13, and 17 on the thin ones, and then the wound strings, the thicker strings, are 26, 36, and 46. Now the 9s, it starts with a 9 instead of a 10. So it's 9. Let's look at the back here. You can't see the chart, but I can. So the 9, the 9s start with 9, then it goes to 11, then it goes to 16, then the wound strings are 26, 36, and 46. I mean, the wound strings are a little thinner than these. They're 24, 34, and 44. That's for the 9s. So, and these are 26, 36, and 46. So these are a little heavier. And like I said, the 9s, they're a little lighter. They're not as thick. So by lighter and heavier, I mean the lighter ones, they're not as thick, and the heavier ones, they're heavier, so they're thicker. So heavy is thicker, light is thinner. So those are the two main things we're looking at there. And I think it's this particular set is a little different. It's the lighter gauge is 9, 11, 16, 24, 34, and 44. Yeah, that's what these 9s are. 24, 32, and 42. So it's 9, 11, 16, 24, 32, and 42 for the 9s. Those are the thinner strings. And the thicker strings, which are over here, are 10, 13, 17, and then the wound strings are 26, 36, and 46. So you can see they're a little bit thicker than these, because these are, what did I say it was? 24, 34, and 42 for these. And these are 17, 26, 17, yeah, and these are 26, 36, and 46. And the other ones are 24, 32, and 42. That's the difference. So these are thicker and these are thinner. That's the two sets, 9s and 10s. So now these are electric guitar strings. They go on electric guitars. So when you put the thicker strings on a guitar, which I have on one of my guitars here. So let's pan out here and look at these guitars, and just so I can explain some stuff. So I have some thicker strings on this guitar right here. I have the 10s. This set here goes with this guitar here. So these are on the 10s. So when I bend these strings, they're going to be a little bit harder to bend than if they were lighter or 9s. So these are 10s. So I kind of like the feel of these, you know. But then I said, oh man, these are a little tougher to bend. So then what I did is I got a set of 9s, and I said, let me put a set of 9s. So I got this set of 9s, and I put them on the other guitar. I put them on this guitar here. So, and I'm playing this, and I said, oh man, that's light. I said, oh, maybe that's too light. I said, well, I don't know what to do. I said, there's 10s and there's 9s. The 9s are too light. The 10s are too heavy. I said, what's happening? Then a friend of mine told me, hey, you know what? They make a 9.5. And I said, no way. So then I'm sitting here and I go, do they make a 9.5? I don't know. And then I'm sitting here and I go, look at this. What is this? What is this here? What is this one? This one's like, wow, look at that. They make a 9.5. I can't believe it. Look, it's a 9.5. And I couldn't believe my eyes. I'm going, wow, it's actually a 9.5. It says 9.5 right there. 9.5 to 44. And I'm going, boy, maybe that's the ticket. Maybe that's what I need. So what I did, I took this other guitar here, and then I said, well, let me put these 9s on one of these guitars, because now it's a 9.5. Instead of 9, now we have 3 sets here. Now we have the 10s, which are here, 10s, which are, this size on here is on the bottom one, this set here. This one's 9.5, and then this one's our 9s, which are 9s on here, 9s. And I said, oh man, so this one's right in between. So I said, forget these two. I said, I'm going to go with this, with the 9.5, and see what that's like, you know. So I'm going to try and put these 9.5 on this guitar. So then what I did, that's exactly what I did. I went, got these strings here, and I said, these are pretty cool. 9.5, I didn't know they made those. So then I went and I put the 9.5s on this guitar over here, on this one, and I said, oh man, I gotta see what that's like. So I put the 9.5s on this guitar here. I went over and I said, well, I wonder if it's really gonna make a difference, you know, the 9.5s. It's just I don't really see that it could make that big of a difference. And then I said, but I don't know, I'll try it anyway, what the heck, you know, it's something new and stuff. So then I went, I put them on, and I'm sitting here and I'm going, man, they've been pretty easy, but you know what? They're not too easy. They're just right. And in the wound ones, I'm going, oh, that feels pretty good. They're not too thick, but then they're not too thin, because I thought the wound ones were going to be too thin on the 9s. So I took a 9.5, and then the wound ones are a little bit thicker than the 9s. You know, like a couple of gauges thicker. And it feels just right. So if you're looking for a set of guitar strings and they're too heavy or not heavy enough, and you want something in between, that's what you can do. Now that they have 2 sets here, now that they have the 3rd set, the brand new set that they came out with, these right here, the Diodarios were on here. These happen to be Diodarios, but there's different sets too. There's different ones that are 9.5s. I think GHS does some as well. So you don't have to just go with that one. You can go with the GHS brand. But the main thing that we're talking about here is the thickness and the playability factor. I think that with these strings, with the 9.5s, it will make your guitars feel totally different. So like I said, I was having the problem that one guitar was playing too light because the strings were too light, they're nice thin, and then the other ones were 10s that were too heavy. So I said, wow, let me just change this, you know, and I changed it up, and then I put the 9.5s, you know, and wow, what a world of difference. What a world of difference on these guitars now that you know, that helped me out. So like I said, this one over here had the 10s, you know, and I said, oh, it's pretty thick, you know. And I went and put the then I took the 9s off of this one, and I put the 9.5s on here, which are these strings right here, the 9.5s on here, and man, it just really made a difference. It's like a new guitar. So anyway, I just wanted to run that by you folks, and hope you like it. Talk to you later.